We're going to do the Tunisian honeycomb stitch. This is going to be the tutorial for it. I have videos that explain how to do the purl stitch, and I also have a cast on video that can be searched in our group just by typing in the video what you're looking for as an example cast on or the purl stitch. What we're going to be doing is the honeycomb border. This is the border I use to reduce curling, and I think it gives a nice finished product. I've cast on 16 and cast off, so this is our first row. So for our second row, to start the honeycomb border, I'm going to start with a purl. You're going to put your yarn in front, go down through your loop, pull your yarn in front, hold it, yarn over, and pull through. This bump is your purl. So we're going to simple stitch, then purl stitch, simple stitch, 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 and for the last stitch we're going to go through our V on the end. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through. That's our last stitch. Then you're going to yarn over to cast off and pull through one, and that's what gives us the clean edge. And then yarn over and pull through two, yarn over and pull through two, yarn over and pull through two, 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 and you're going to continue this until you have one loop left on your hook. Then I tighten my yarn down just a little bit. The next row we will be starting out with a Tunisian simple stitch because we have purled the one below, and if you look at this stitch you can see it looks real nice and long because it's two Tunisian simple stitches on top of each other. So the first stitch we're going to Tunisian simple stitch, Tunisian purl stitch, simple stitch, purl, simple, purl, simple, purl, simple, purl, simple, purl, simple, purl, and finally we're at our last, so we're going to go through the top V and pull through, and that completes that forward pass. So to return pass you're going to pull through one, pull through two, 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 and continue that way across until you have one loop on your hook. And then tighten it down just a little bit, and this will give you the honeycomb portion where this is going to come up. So the next row when we do the purl, it's going to close these two together and give you a nice honeycomb. Now I like to use this for a border, and I usually do add 10 rows to the bottom, 10 rows to the top, and 10 rows to each side. So the pattern I'm going to be working on is 180 by 180 square. I'm going to be doing 200 by 200. So in the beginning I will chain 200, and as I work up the sides I will be incorporating the 10 stitches on each side. I will do 9 rows of the Tunisian honeycomb border. Then for my 10th row, I will work the honeycomb over for the 10 stitches. Then I will work the Tunisian simple stitch and then the last 10, because if you do your row in the last row in a honeycomb border and then you start your new color in, then it gives a kind of a jagged, rough edge, and I like to have a clean edge to my border. So thank you for watching my video, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Thank you.